Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to use dictation in Windows. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the settings of your PC. So go and click on your Windows button, then go and click on settings. So after opening your settings, you should search for speech, then go to ease of access dictation. Then you want to go and click on this option right here, turn this option on, then click on next and choose the microphone that you want to use. Then click on next, adjust the volume. You can adjust the volume of the microphone. And now click on next and click on next, next. Then click enable document review, use manual activation mode or use voice activation mode. You can choose between them. I will use voice activation mode, then click on next. Print the speech. No, I do not want to print the speech. No, I just click on next. Run speech recognition as startup. No, I do not want to run it as startup. Then click on skip tutorial. And now let's see. I will click on Windows plus H. It will start listening and it will be typing. So now I'm going to open this thing, for example. And now I'm going to say, type here that I want to play Minecraft. Click on Windows plus H. Now I want to type here that I need to play Minecraft. Do not delete. And here we go. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment down below, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.